ZC-7. This ZC can be programmed for page steering. In the ZC panel configuration page, select the ZC-7 from the Type drop-down list. I'm going to assign it as ID number 1. So on this ZC, the number 1 dip switch would be on with all others off, and it would be plugged into the top ZC input port on the back of the Zone Pro. It helps to then name the zone controller. When using a page steering controller, you must also select the source. The source is the input which the paging mic will be plugged into. My paging mic will be plugged into the mic line 1 input. Therefore, I'll select the mic line 1 input as my source. You'll notice the edit box off to the right will turn red. This is letting you know you need to configure your ZC. Left-clicking on this edit box allows me to program how this ZC will function. When using this ZC as a page steering controller, there are 5 possible states. No button pressed, A, B, C, and D. Here I am merely selecting which outputs will be paged as I push these different buttons on the controller. You do not have to worry about associating this ZC for page steering control. However, you will need to still set your page ducking parameters inside of the mid-mixer or mid-router for this to work appropriately. This will be covered in the mid-router and mid-mixer training modules. Once the page ducking parameters are properly set in the mid-mixer or mid-router, switching the zone controller will page the different outputs as they were programmed.